Hello guys, welcome to Techallien, your trusted source for professional technology tutorials, device optimizations, and advanced digital solutions. On this channel, you will learn step-by-step method to enhance your device, solve technical problems, and stay ahead in today's digital world. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do subscribe and enable the notification bell, and also do me a favor by sharing and also like this video. So in today's class, I'll be teaching you guys or guiding you guys on how to change your iPhone location using 3uTools. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. First, all you need to do is to have a Windows or a Mac computer. So for me, I'll be using a Mac computer. In this my Mac, all you need to do is to open up your Safari. If you are using Windows, open up your browser. In any of your browser, head on to 3uTools. So in your 3uTools, all you need to do is to click on the download. Select the operating system that you are running. So for Windows, all you need to do is to select the Windows operating system and select the chip which you are running. So if you are having 64-bit operating system or 32-bit, you select at your own. So for this, I'm using Mac operating system, which I'll be using or clicking on the Mac OS and select the chip that you are running. For those that are running the Intel chip, select the Intel chip and click on the download. For those that are running Mac M1 chip to the M series or M series, you select. For me, I'm running the M2 chip, so I will click on the Apple Silicon. And here I have already downloaded the 3uTools. Next is to connect your Apple device, which is your iPhone. Now remember that this works for the iOS 26. So if you are running iOS 26.2, you have nothing to worry about. So now when you're connected to your MacBook or your computer, sometimes it can lag or give issues in Windows computers. So when you're connected to your computer, all you need to do is to head down to your iPhone, scroll down to where you see privacy and security, scroll down to where you see developer mode. Make sure to turn on this developer mode and have it in mind that when it's turned on, your phone will need to restart. Now, if you are done with this, reconnect your phone. But that will be after you are done installing the 3uTools. So already I have the 3uTools installed here, which you can see. So after being installed, you will have the user interface, or you will see the user interface of your 3uTools up and running with the information of your iPhone showing. Now, next you need to head on to Toolbox, select Virtual Location. In your virtual location, okay, hold on. First, all we need to do is to head on to our iPhone. So head on to your iPhone, scroll down to where it says General or Privacy and Security. Let's turn on our device location, and I think we have some of our Wi-Fi VPN. Sorry, my bad. So turn off your VPN. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Let's head on to our map. In our map, when we click on the exact location, you can see where it says that I am, which is currently in my very location or precise location. So what we are going to learn is how to change this location to be on a different location without showing the appropriate location that you are in. This comes in handy when trying to change location in an app, something like Facebook and the rest. So next is to connect your phone to your computer. Head on to the 3uTools, head on to the toolbox, and then come here. For example, search for the location that you wish to be in. So it will give me several options. Depending, it will give you the address, the state, the county, and the the city and every other locations. So when I click on it, automatically I'll be pointed over to that very location. So it's, and here you can see the location that you are being pointed at. So here you click on the modify immediately and wait for it, type in your computer password. So we have successfully modified the location. Now let's head on to our mobile phone. In our mobile phone, if we click on location and click here, you will see our location has changed to 9310 Bird Cypress Street and in Texas. So you can use that to change a whole lot of things, a whole lot of apps, but do not use this for any illegal activity. This is for only educational purposes. So now you can see that our location has changed and we are currently in Texas. So you guys, thanks for watching, and also please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and also turn on the notification bell to get more notifications whenever we post a new videos. And see you next time. Thank you.